To change fractions to repeating decimals. So this is a different process, but it's important to know. Write each of the following as repeating decimals. So a repeating decimal, let's start with the definition. A repeating decimal is a decimal number with a digit or a group of digits that repeat forever. So for example, if you see 0.33333 on your calculator, that's a repeating decimal. 0.3567676767, that's a repeating decimal. And you may also see something written like this. This is called bar notation. It means 0.74, and the 74, because the bar is over top of that, that repeats forever. So those are versions of repeating decimals. So let's have a look. 0.7777, and it looks like the 7s repeat forever. How do we deal with that? So that's not really repeating forever with the way that's written. It looks like it is, but it's not a legitimate way to write this. The way to write this is you take a look at it and you identify, well, which part is repeating? And in this case, it's just the 7 just repeats forever. So you can write that as 0.7, and then you put the bar over it for the bar notation, and that shows that the 7 repeats forever. So that's how you do that. Now we've got a fraction here, and we need to write this as a repeating decimal, 1/3. Well, if you do that, 1 divided by 3 on your calculator, you're going to get something that looks like this on your calculator. And it looks like the 3's just go forever, and in fact they do. So you could write it this way, or you could take the 0.3 and put the bar over it, and then we know that that 3 does in fact repeat forever. One more example here. 0.8585858585 ... So the 8 and the 5 repeat forever. So in this case, you write it as 0.85, and you put the bar over both the 8 and the 5, because both the 8 and 5 repeat. So that's the trick here. We're using bar notation, and that's the way you should write any repeating decimal, is using bar notation. So bar notation is important when dealing with this. So here we go. We've got another show you know. It's another chart to fill out. We've got some fractions. You can divide them out, write down the repeating decimal, and then write it down using the proper bar notation, please. Give it a go.